Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm in ENDURO Bike Park doing the ENDURO Bikefestival as usual. A lot of downhill, a lot of fun times, I guess. What are we doing here? Just riding bikes. A lot of point of view laps, but they have built some awesome jumps, so yeah, let's go for some downhill. Hey! Okay, so we're doing the new track, Shimono. Wow! Oh, this is awesome! Finally some bigger jumps. Wow. Yeah. Wow! Fan, det var svinnice ju! Fan vad nice! Okay, next part of the same lap. Wow! It's so hard to keep up with Max and Lucas here. Wow! Whew! Ah. Fy fan alltså!
Wow! Ja men fan vi åker då! Det är rätt så roligt det var!
Ja. Ah. Ja, det var sjukt. Satan. Like I actually ride my downhill bike or enduro bike super stiff, just because I just want to do all the jumps. So those parts are really hard, but the rest was pretty fun. Nice.
We made it all the way up. No, we're not even at the top. We are like halfway up, but we took an extra lift up so we could get some more altitude under our belt. I'm actually gonna film the majority of the video on the GoPro to just keep it casual and do follow shots and stuff and try to get rowdy with these boys. So we're up here, we're gonna try to ride something gnarly.
No, we're not.
Not too gnarly.
No, not gnarly.
Look at the view and that's like I never said that.
This was so convenient. Max just explained everything.
Oh, that's the vlog.
Yeah. So
Vlogging
good.
the
I'm the
vlog.
only one
Yeah.
vlogging.
I don't need to do the talking. Okay, dropping in here from the top with a super nice view. Whoa! Downhill. Whoa! Whoa! Almost died on that tube there. Fan, vi höll på att dö på den där slangen. Okay, I don't know if I trust Max with the jumping line. Okay, kind of flowy, but still kind of scary. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, too tired now. Oh. Vad gör vi för något då?
Ja, vi åker cykel.
Åker cykel i Åre. Det är jätteroligt ju. What are you doing?
He's gonna flip.
He's gonna flip?
Yeah.
No way. At the dirt jam. Which jump?
Last.
You're gonna flip. Oh no, I'm gonna ride before you and check it out. Yeah. Kom igen. Yeah! Yo! Fett nice!
Åh fy fan
Fan vad
alltså.
gött.
Nice.
Shit,
Det kändes som jag
alltså.
underroterade. Jag bara jävlar de landningen.
Ja men det var perfekt. Jag är redo när du är redo. Yeah!
Snyggt!
Whoa! Wow! Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, guys! Look! Whip off!
Do the whip off. I have my pit team here. I don't want it here.
Why?
On my
Put it
back.
on his back.
Can I put it up here?
Yes.
Maybe, we don't know.
I help you.
Fix. Guys,
Awesome. Thank
Nice.
you. I'm gonna do a whip off. Do some whips, some
Do a
tricks.
big whip.
Hopefully.
hopefully don't crash.
Thank you. I
No,
will.
okay, so.
Maybe.
Oh,
Not. I
that-
don't know.
Ja, jättebra.
Kom igen nu alla!
I'm a bit nervous. Scary.
Shouldn't be.
Yeah, maybe. I just want to go for the best trick.
What trick are you going for?
I don't know. I went for a like to the dome on the way here, and I did a fronty. Would be insane to do,
Yeah.
but so scary.
If you do front flip, you will win.
You think?
Yes,
Yeah,
maybe.
I
Or
believe
maybe
so.
cork 7.
No, I'm not gonna do the cork 7, but maybe
But fronty.
Yes.
Yeah,
I will
fronty.
see.
Yeah.
I will try out the jump a bit more.
Whoa.
Okay, I need to send it more, I think.
Here's Alex Solanko. It's Max Fredriksson. Oh. Whoa! Yo! Solanko. Yeah. Here's Alex Solanko. That was absolutely insane, guys.
Nice. Okay.
Nej.
No smoke manual. Yo, Axel. Bar spin. No smoke manual. Whoa, 1 foot step. Whoa, what the fuck? Hey, skvätter stenar på mig. Oh! Men alltså, sladdade över den jävla kurva. Jo.
Men nu ska vi åka nattcykling.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.